Olivia Rodrigo is an American actress and singer. She was born on February 20, 2003 in Temecula, California. She is of Filipino descent on her father's side and German and Irish on her mother's side. Rodrigo began taking acting and singing classes at age 6 and started acting in theater productions at Lisa J. Miles Elementary School and Dorothy McIlhenny Middle School. She moved from Murrieta to Los Angeles when she landed her role on Vijay Varg. Rodrigo is an institute speaker and panelist for the Gina Davis Institute on Gender in Media. She has dated actor Ethan Walker. Her debut acting role in Grace Stirs Up Success was based on the American Girl book series, which she was introduced to when she was 7 years old. She is known for her roles as Paige Olvera on the Disney Channel series Vijay Varg and Nini Salazar Roberts on the Disney Plus series High School Musical, the series. Rodrigo signed with Interscope and Geffen Records in 2020 and released her debut single Driver's License in January 2021, which reached number 1 in various countries worldwide, including the United States. Within the week of its release, Driver's License was critically acclaimed and broke Spotify's record twice for most daily streams ever. For a non-holiday song on January 11, Rodrigo's song had over 15.7 million global streams on Spotify, which she surpassed the next day with over 17 million global streams of the song. The song debuted at number 1 on Billboard Hot 100. She landed a starring role in the series Vijay Varg, which was initially known as Paige and Frankie. She got to portray the character that she dearly connected with and loved since her younger days. Her talent was soon appreciated and now she is a face most viewers of the television channel Disney recognize. Though this success is sweet, it came at a price. Olivia had to constantly move from city to city, sacrificing on regular school and hangouts with friends. In 2015, she made her acting debut portraying the lead role of Grace Thomas in direct-to-video film American Girl, Grace Stirs Up Success. In 2016, Rodrigo received recognition for starring as Paige Olvera, a guitarist in the Disney Channel series Vijay Varg, which she played for 3 seasons. Rodrigo signed with Interscope Records and Geffen Records in 2020. According to her co-stars, Olivia is extremely friendly and carries a pleasant aura wherever she goes. She has often been spotted along the hallways singing or humming the latest fast numbers, spreading her infectious happy vibes to everyone around. Olivia is also a member of the Project for Women, where they share incredible, inspirational stories of different women, their success and failures. This is how this lovely young world changer is slowly setting an example for all of us.